The overall design and appearance is similar with last year's Galaxy S8. The most significant improvements are dual aperture camera with super slow motion, stereo speakers tuned by AKG with surround sound powered by Dolby Atmos, and augmented reality emoji. The phone is comfortable to behold thanks to its curved glass on both front and back, but it can be slippery sometimes. Let's see the box content. Ejection pin. Used to insert and eject the tray with a SIM and micro SD card. Quick start guide. Samsung Galaxy S9. USB power adapter, 2 amp. USB connector, USB Type-C. Micro USB connector. USB cable. Type-C. Replacement silicone earbuds, different sizes. Bundled earphones. Two-way dynamic unit with pure sound. Tuned by AKG. On the front, Quad HD Plus Infinity display and the 8-megapixel camera with autofocus. On the right side is the power button. On the back, the new 12-megapixels camera with optical image stabilization and the easier-to-reach fingerprint scanner. On the left side, just below the volume buttons, it's the dedicated button for Bixby. On the top, the second speaker together with the dual SIM and micro SD card tray. Down we can find the mic, the remaining headphone jack, USB charging port and the other speaker. Now, let's power up and do the initial setup. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.